Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you how to delete cookies and site data from your Android phone. This is a Samsung phone, but this will be valid for all Android phones. So what are the cookies? First I want to tell you cookies are small pieces of text sent to your browser by a website you visit. They help that the website remember information about your visit, which can both make it easier to visit the site again and make the site more useful to you. So accepting cookies on the website will not result for any catastrophic event. You should accept cookies from the most of the site until you are very unsure for that site. So for doing that, what you need to do, go to the Google Chrome, and from here go to the settings, and from go to the privacy and security, clear browsing data. From here basics and advanced, two are there. Go to the basics, uncheck this because this video is about how to clear cookies and site data. Be careful that you will be signed up from the most of the site. You won't be signed out of your Google account, but most of the site the password data have been stored, you will be signed out. So just clear data, and from here it will ask and then clear it. So this is how you will clear cookies and site data from an Android phone. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.